Morning, welcome to Gold News Video. It's the 16th of April 2013. Gold is currently at $1,378 an ounce. Silver is at $23.65 an ounce. Lots of people have been asking why has gold and silver dropped so rapidly. I was listening to an expert this morning who was saying that it could be a combination of three things which in their own shouldn't really worry the gold market. They're saying that it could be the fact that Cyprus may be forced to sell their gold, $400 million worth. Again, not that significant. I think it's about 10 tons, which in the grand scheme of things isn't really a great deal. I think about 4,000 tons are traded a year. So that shouldn't really be making an effect, but it's the fact that maybe people are putting two and two together and saying if France, Spain, Italy, Portugal have to sell theirs also, that could definitely impact on the gold price. Then the next thing is China didn't meet its growth forecast of 8%. It was 7.7%. Again, if that's a slowdown from China and the US, then maybe this is less than expected. And then thirdly, the thing could be people expecting the end of stimulus from the US and the end of monetary quantitative easing. So and combine these three things, maybe driving the price down, but I'm not sure if that's why they would drop 10%. There may be other things going on that people are unaware of. Or maybe it's the fact that the people are trying to get out of the paper gold market, and that's affecting the physical market as well. Reuters, just this morning as we're talking, it looks like silver is rebounding slightly. It's up 3.35%, and it looks like gold, as we speak now, is up 1.66%. So maybe we're flattening, or maybe it will drop again further today. Who knows? It's massive change in the last few days. I'm just having a little look at the latest headlines, see if there's anything that's worth pointing out. The Brent crude futures fell below $100 for the first time in 9 months or so on Tuesday, and last traded down 1% at $99.58 a barrel. US crude traded down 1.3% at 87.60. Also a barrel after hitting a 4-month low of $86.06. And Rick Spooner, chief market analyst at CMC Markets, said, "I think the underlying driver for markets around the world that are making adjustments to some of our major commodity markets, they are now forecasting that the decline in commodity prices looks as though it might be happening sooner, and it's going to be a bit deeper than analysts have previously thought." Hiroshi Maiba, head of FX trading, said assets with large positions being built up will be squeezed out. He is FX trading, foreign exchange trading for Japan, for UBS and Tokyo, noting that equities have been rallying recently on a growth optimism. In this light, the yen may firm up a bit more, given the way the currency short positions have built up. And the sell-off in gold hit metal-sensitive Australian shares, AXJO, but they recovered some losses and were down 0.3%. So I think it's just keep an eye on your tickers and watch out for, if it flattens and if it bounces a little bit, or if it bounces before going lower again. So more news this time tomorrow. Take it easy.